Hi students, next one is excretory system. Excretion is performed by coil-like, tubular-like structure. Coil and tubular-like structure is called as nephridia. Is called as nephridia. So, earthworm excretory organs are nephridia. So, earthworm excretory organs are nephridia. Next one, nephridium. It start with funnel shaped. This is the funnel shaped nephrostomes. Funnel shaped nephrostome. This nephrostome is a coiled tubular like structure. Coiled tubular like structure. This is the nephrostomes. Nephrostomes, it is a coiled and a tubular like structure. Coiled and tubular like structure. Okay, now it collects the nephrostome, it collects the nitrogen waste material through the nephrostome, funnel shaped. It collects the nitrogen waste material through the nephrostomes. This nitrogen waste material pumped into the tubular like structure of the nephrostomes. Okay, now tubular like structure of the nephrostomes. Okay, now remaining some of the nitrogen waste material are utilized. Remaining waste material pumped out through the nephridiophore. Some of the nitrogen waste material are observed in the inner side of the body wall. Inner side of the body wall. Remaining waste material eliminated through the nephridiophore. Nephridiophore. Okay, now excretory system, they are of three types. First one is septal nephridia. Second one is intertegmentary nephridia. Third one is tufted nephridia, pharyngeal nephridia. Pharyngeal nephridia. First one is septal nephridia. This one is called as septal nephridia. Septal nephridia. This is called as integumentary nephridia. This part. This one is called as tufted nephridia. Third one is called as tufted nephridia. Septal nephridia, integumentary nephridia. Third one is tufted or pharyngeal nephridia. Tufted or pharyngeal nephridia. See the board. This is the septal nephridia. This is the septal nephridia. Septal nephridia, it is present on the 15th to last segment. Very most important. Septal nephridia. Present on the 15th to last segment. 15th to last segment. Okay, now they are located on the septal nephridia. It is attached to the septum. It is attached to the septum. Septum का मतलब segments. This is the septal nephridia. These septal nephridia are attached to the septum. Okay, now each septum contains 80 to 100 nephridia. Each septum contains how many members? 80 to 100 members. Septal nephridia, how many members? Each segment contains 80 to 100. Septal nephridia, it is also called as enteronephric nephridia. Very most important. Septal nephridia, it is also called as enteronephric nephridia. Enteronephric nephridia. What is the enteronephric nephridia? Okay, now septal nephridia, it collects the nitrogen waste material, then discharged into the intestine. So this type of nephridia is called as enteronephric nephridia. septal nephridia, it is also called as enteronephric nephridia because of septal nephridia collects the nitrogen waste material, then discharged into the intestine. Inner side, entero ka matlab inner side, discharged into the intestine. So this type of nephridia is called as enteronephric nephridia. Each segments contain how many members? 80 to 100. Septal nephridia present on the 15th to last segments. 15th to last segments. Next one is interimplementary nephridia. Second one is interimplementary nephridia. Integumentary nephridia present on the third to last segments. Integumentary nephridia present on the start with third to last segment. Third to last segment. Third to last segment. Integumentary nephridia, it is attached to the lining of the body wall. Lining of the skin. It is attached to the lining of the body wall. It is attached to the lining of the body wall. Okay na? Each segment contains 200 to 250 member. How many nephridia is present? Each segment contains 200 to 250. Next, it is also called as exonephric nephridia. Very most important. It is also called as exonephric nephridia. This nephridia, integumentary nephridia, it collects the nitrogen waste material, then discharged, pass out through the skin. This nitrogen waste material pass out through the skin. So this type of nephridia is called as integumentary nephridia or exonephric nephridia. Exonephric nephridia. Exonephric nephridia. What is exonephric nephridia? It collects the integumentary nephridia collects the nitrogen waste material, then nitrogen waste material passed out through the skin or body wall. So this nephridia is called as exonephric nephridia. Exonephric nephridia. Okay na? Except each segment contain how many members? 200 to 250 nephridias. Except clitellary region. What is the clitellary region? Clitellum is located on the 14th, 15th and 16th segments. Okay na? Except clitellar region, integumentary nephrilias are more in number. 2002. Each segment contain 14th and 15th and 16th segments contain 2000 to 2500 member. So integumentary nephridia, it is also called as forest of nephridia. It is also called as forest of nephridia. Okay na? Integumentary nephridia, it is present on the third to last segments. It is attached to the lining of the body wall. Each segment contains 200 to 250 member, except clitellary region contains more than 2000 to 2500 member. Each segment contains 2000 to 2500 member. 14th segment में 2000 to 2500 integumentary nephrilias are present. 15th में 2000 to 2500 segments are present. 16th में 2000 to 2500 segments are present. So this nephridia is also called as forest of nephridia. Integumentary nephridia or another name is exonephric nephridia. It collects the nitrogen waste material, then nitrogen waste material eliminated through the skin. So this type of nephridia is called as exo. Exo matlab outside the body. Next one is, third one is tufted nephridia, pharyngeal nephridia. Pharyngeal nephridia present on the 4th, 5th and 6th segments. Pharyngeal nephridia, see the board. This is the pharyngeal nephridia. Pharyngeal nephridia present on the fourth, fifth, and sixth segment. Present on the fourth and fifth segments. They are clustered of nephridia, tufted nephridia. See the board. This is the cluster of nephridia. Cluster of nephridia. Okay na? How many pairs present? One pair. Fourth segment में one pair. Fifth segment में one pair. Sixth segment में one pair. So this type of nephridia is called as paired tufted nephridia. Okay na? Next to pharyngeal nephridia, it is also called as enteronephric nephridia. Enteronephric nephridia. Already you know it collects the nitrogen waste material, then discharged into the intestine. So this type of nephridia is called as enteronephric nephridia. Each segment contain fourth segment में one pair, sixth segment fifth में one pair, sixth में one pair. So this type of nephridia is called as paired tufted nephridia. Paired tufted nephridia. Next, what is the functions of nephridia? Nephridia it provides volume and composition of the body fluids. Composition of the body fluids. Volume and composition of the body fluids. Okay na? Excretory system. Excretory system is excretory organs are nephridia. Excretory system is performed by coiled tubular-like structure is called as nephridia. Coiled tubular-like structure is called as nephridia. Nephridia, it start with nephrostomes. Nephrostomes, it is a tubular-like structure. Okay na? It collects the nitrogen waste material and passed into the nephrostomes. Then nitrogen waste material absorbed into the some of the nitrogen waste material absorbed into the intestine. Remaining waste material eliminated through the nephridiophore. Eliminated through the nephridiophore. Okay na? Excretory system nephridia are three types. First one is septal nephridia. Second one is called as integumentary nephridia. Third one is called as pharyngeal nephridia. Septal nephridia, it is present on the 15th to last segments. It is attached to the septum. Okay na? Each segment contains 80 to 100. This type of septal nephridia, it is also called as enteronephric nephridia. It collects the nitrogen waste material and discharged into the intestine. So this type of nephridia is called as enteronephric nephridia. Next one is integumentary nephridia. Integumentary nephridia, it is present on the third to last segments. It is attached to the lining of the body wall. It is each segment contains 200 to 250, except clitellar region. 14th and 15th and 16th segments integumentary nephridia are more in number. How many numbers are present? 2000 to 2500 numbers are present. So this type of nephridia is called as forest of nephridia. Next one is pharyngeal nephridia. It is present on the 4th, 5th and 6th segments. They are paired tufted nephridia. It is also called as enteronephric nephridia. It is also called as enteronephric nephridia. This is the excretory system. Excretory organ, excretory organs are nephridia. Okay na?